Welcome to this DelveStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API account inactive error. This error usually happens when the Slack user or bot connected to your token is no longer active, has been deactivated, or removed from the workspace. First, make sure the Slack account or bot linked to your token is still active inside the workspace. So now, the next thing that you need to do is open your Slack app settings. Just go to api.slack.com and click on your app name. From here, just go ahead and go to OAuth and permissions and scroll down until you see OAuth tokens. Here, check that you are using the correct bot user token that starts with XOXB. After that, just go ahead and click on reinstall to your workspace to generate a fresh token. Now just go ahead and copy your token and replace any old or inactive token in your code, Postman, or integration setup. And also ensure the app is installed in the same Slack workspace that you are testing against. Finally, test the API request once again using the updated token. And in most cases, the error is fixed once the token is refreshed and the bot account is active in the correct workspace. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack account inactive error by checking the bot status, reinstalling the app, updating the token, and ensuring correct workspace setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelveStack tutorial video.